guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl Anastasia, and you're getting this back again with another wig install video. Today's video is sponsored by Likablewig. You guys, Likablewig sent me their beautiful 3-in-1 pixie curl half wig. You guys, pixie curl is my favorite type of curl pattern, and honestly I am so pumped up for today's video. I have worked with Likablewig I think 2 times now, and their wigs always eat. So I am so excited to be trying out this 3-in-1 half wig today. Drum roll. No, before we do the drum roll, no, it's not drum roll time. You guys should give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Now we can now do the drum roll. Let's dive right into today's video. Alright guys, so let us do a little bit of unboxing. So I'm going to open the bag up. You know, it comes with in a satin bag as usual, and this is the 3-in-1 half wig. We're going to be getting to this later. Let me show you guys the other things that comes with the wig. Okay, so this wig comes with this edge brush. This wig also comes with a wig cap as usual, and then it comes with this really cute bow. You guys, look at this cute bow, like it's so cute. And lastly, it comes with okay, it also comes with eyelashes. This is really cute, you guys. It comes with lashes, and lastly it comes with this card that just shows you how to, like, you know, use your wig and all of that stuff. Okay guys, let us get into the wig. You guys, this wig is 22 inches of pixie coil half wig. I'm just going to bring it out of the pack. Honestly, I'm so excited. Like, you guys, the curls already. Guys, can you see the curl pattern on this half wig? You guys, can you see? This is so cute. Like, this is so beautiful, you guys. Guys, I'm going to take off this net thingy. Let's see. This is the drum roll part now. This is where I'm supposed to say drum roll, you guys. Guys, can you see the beautiful curls on this wig? You guys, can you see the beautiful curls on this wig? This is so cute, you guys. There are 3 combs inside this wig, 1 at the top. It comes with 1 by the side and 1 at the other side. This wig also comes with a drawstring, as you guys can see, and it also comes with this strap thingy to help to secure your wig. Alright guys, so I'm going to put this wig on. Let us see how this wig is going to give. I'm going to put this on. Let us see what it is giving. Honestly, you guys, I'm so excited to see what this is going to give. Oh my god, you guys, can you see the curls on this? You guys, can you see the curls on this 3-in-1 half wig? Like, I didn't even define the curls or anything, but it looks so beautiful. It is so pretty. Look at the curl pattern, pixie curls. This is absolutely beautiful, you guys. Like, this is so beautiful. This is so pretty. So guys, obviously I would not be able to wear the half wig like this. I would have to use like a headband on the half wig. You guys can see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like, you guys. Can you see? This is glueless. You don't need to use any glue or anything. This is a half wig basically. So you guys can see how it looks like. Yeah, so I'm gonna use a headband just to like cover this part of the wig so that it doesn't show, because you're going out like this, you're going to look a little bit, you know, you're going to look somehow. So you obviously need to use a headband on, you know, you need to use a headband, or you can bring your hairs out and comb it in. My hair is in, you know, I braided my hair cornrow, so I can't bring out my hair and comb it inside. So I would have to use my headband for this. So I have different colors of, you know, of headbands. I am not sure which one I should use. You guys should pick for me. Which one do you think I should use? Which one do you think I should use? So I think I'm going to go with this purple band because my earrings are purple, so I just want everything to like match. So yeah, I'm going to go with this. So I'm going to use this to cover up the, you know, the front part of the wig so I don't look somehow. So so good, like it's so pretty. So I'm going to try and do other styles with this half wig because I don't just want to like, you know, wear it in a headband. I want to like, you know, finger comb out this hair so that it will be fussy. I want to see how this wig is going to look like when the curls are combed out. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this other headband, and I'm just going to put this headband like so. Guys, so I want to go ahead and, you know, use some conditioner on this wig so that I can bring back the curls and define the curls a little bit. I want to see how it is going to give when you add water and mousse. Okay, I want to see the wet look of this hair. So I went on to change my headband. So I'm going to put this wig on again, and we're going to use mousse on the hair. And yeah, so this is the finished look of the hair. What do you guys think about it? I dried the hair a little. I wanted to show you guys how the wet look looks like. So the hair is semi-dry, it is not completely dry, but this is how it is looking. I love it so much, you guys. This wig is giving everything that it is supposed to give. I love it so much, and I decided to change the headband again. You guys can see this is like a black headband. I don't know if you guys can see, this is like a black headband. It is so cute, it is so beautiful, it is giving what it is supposed to give. What do you guys think about this? Like, this half wig is honestly so cute. You know, you can, you know, put water on the hair to define the curls again, and you can wait till it get dried, comb the curls out, and you're going to get this poofy coily hair vibe, giving Diana Ross vibe. Honestly, this is just so beautiful. I love this half wig so much. And you can decide to style your half wig in different ways. You know, if you have like your hair out, you can bring your hair out and comb it in, but my hair is in a cornrow, so I cannot do that style right now. But honestly, this is so cute. What do you guys think about it? This is so beautiful. I love it so much. Likable wig, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful coily unit. I love this hair so much. It is soft, and I love the length of this hair. The length is just everything. 22 inches pixie coil wig. It is so beautiful. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys want to buy this 3-in-1 half wig, do well to check my description box. There is a code for you guys. You can use my code and you can save some money. And honestly, this wig is just what you need for summer. It is so easy to install, so easy to put together, and you are going to love this one. You guys do well to buy this curly wig. All the details and the links are going to be in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys. Bye.